So hello guys, I'm going to Thorpe Park today and there was a huge problem. I got up late and they are already gone. So it's 1 hour 26 minutes by train. So I booked a train and now I'm going. While returning I'll come back with them, with the college people. Need some sun today as the windy weather is killing me. It's really windy and it's really cold, but the sun is helping me a lot, so pray to God for me. So I thought that I would get up at around 7 a.m. and on the base of 2 hours I thought about this futuristic vision, but the problem was I slept and the 8:50 was the reaching time at Clerisy building, which is one of the building of Oxford Brookes. But yeah, they went and I remained behind. But now I'm going there, so while coming back I can get out with them from the Thorpe Park and depart to Oxford Brookes. I'm not sleepy at all, but I'm stressed about how can I reach, because this is like all alone and asking people. That's the way I'm trying to go, because this is not new to me. So this train will go to London Paddington and it will stop at Reading. The Reading station and we are going to Staines station now. So from platform number 6 we are changing the train.
Richmond, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo.
The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a
It's 9:50 bus number from Staines platform and it's £4. Ticket price is £4.80 return.
you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she.
So we are inside Thorpe Park right now, and now I already contacted the main staff of the Brookes, so she'll guide me further. So it's really amazing. The weather's great because it's not that cold. It's quite sunny though, with God's grace and your blessings, and now we'll enjoy it to the fullest. So generally the ticket for the Thorpe Park is £32 and our university took us here for around £25, so it was really a great deal, and due to my mistake I got up late, so I came here by train and bus, but I'll really enjoy it to the fullest, so you guys can also check out Thorpe Park.
From her, I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free.
So I got one of my friends over here and our classmates, I found them. Yahi hai wo harami. So we are sitting in a mini roller coaster. It's not that fun, but this is my first ride, so I will.
This is just a warm up, you mean?
Yeah, this is just a warm up for me. And what about how was the other rides?
We've been to 2 rides and it was okay.
It was okay, it's okay. It was fun, guys. Not that much, but for my first ride, that was a great warm up. Now we are going to. It's Dad.
Swamp.
This one. It's very dangerous. Guys, this is the craziest thing that we'll do now. And we are really scared, but we are also very happy that we are able to do this without any external charges. Let's see how it goes. How are you feeling?
Nah, nothing.
Nothing, you are just familiar with all of this stuff.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Turn it up, don't turn it off. Turn me round, put me in my place. From there, I can see it all. So beautiful, the world
Guys, it was really scary. It was really scary. And my friend Pawan saved me. This was my first time, and this ride is crazy, man. Like we were sitting in a fighter jets, and we were sitting in fighter jets, and we were playing a game. It felt like that, and it was so fucking good. You should come over here. And after this, we are going to the stealth. Oh my god, fuck. That one, the big one. This one.
But your eyes found mine, and I said, there's a record spinning in my mind, with scratches on the B-side. You're a record spinning in my mind.
He's like the main character of my vlog. He's always the main character. She is not the main character. This is also a main character. He is also a main character. Sinet. Familiarity. More classmates joined. You're captured. Guys, how was it?
Would you like a second ride, guys?
Would you like a second ride? Oh man, how was it?
My head is pain.
Yeah, actually we are unable to walk straight. How was it? She doesn't scare at all.
It was very nice. I enjoyed it. It was a bit scary.
It was scary. Bro, but next level. What the wait?
Are you hiding behind the See, Pawan!
There's a record spinning in my mind, with scratches on the B-side. You're a record spinning in my mind. Record spinning in my mind, spinning in my mind, record spinning in my mind, spinning in my
Now it's our chance, guys. We ready?
अभी दादी भी बैठे हैं.
Ready? No?
Very ready.
Guys, it was the best experience. How was it, guys?
It was samurai!
Samurai.
It was good.
Yes, he did.
Crazy.
Go to the right. My brain's not braining right now.
Smashed!
Do tonight again, even in another lifetime. Find me there, and let's
Ride. Mostly it's roller coasters, but that's what I came here for. So yeah, we'll enjoy it.
Those weekday problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa.
Guys, this is where we are. This roller coaster was literally a roller coaster. We are totally not in our senses now. Our brains freezing, and like this guy can sustain anything, I guess. But not me. It's different for me. This is built different.
Rewind until daylight. Repeat, rewind, and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me there, and let's do tonight again. Even in another life.
So now the predators are going into the ghost train. She's scary, guys. So we came back from the scary train. It was a kind of theater act. It was scary for some people, but for me it was not that scary. But the act and the vibe was really amazing, and the whole tech stuff with all the scary noises, totally worth it. But if you want to utilize most of it, do the ride first, and if there is a lot of time left, then you can go do the scary train. So that's my view. Now we are going to the dead drop if it's time, and if not, then we'll be heading home. And now we are heading to do the dashing car now. The thrill is on, and really we are excited to do the dashing car.
Turn me round, put me in my place. From there, I can see it all. So beautiful. The world.
So yeah, that's it from the Thong Park trip, and we are heading home now. It was really fun. I'm not able to speak much as I screamed a lot, but yeah, you guys should come here. It's the best place ever. Till then, stay tuned for such amazing vlogs.